At Sanford Shapes, all of our cutting boards are made using recycled wood from our skateboard making process. We also wanted to go the extra step and use recycled hardwood from local job sites in the San Diego area. After gathering some recycled oak and ipe from local job sites, we head back to the shop to mill these recycled pieces of wood so that we can glue them together to make strong and durable cutting board cores. First, we plane the old finish off of the recycled lumber. Then we cut, joint, and square each piece to ensure a strong glue up. While we wait for these cores to dry, we can now start on our design layer using scraps from our skateboard making process. Here we are milling mahogany, cherry, quilted maple, and wenge to create our classic mahogany design. Once the glue is dry, we can plane and square the blocks. Then we head over to our 30-inch bandsaw with an automatic feeder to resaw our 2-inch block into a few 1/8-inch thick veneers. We then sand the veneers and the cores to make sure everything is perfectly flat before we glue them and put them in the vacuum press. Tape is used on the edges to keep the design square on the core. These will sit in the press until they are dry, then they are ready to square and finish. All of the sides are squared on the table saw and the chop saw, then sent through the wide belt sander. The next step is to round the edges using a router. After the cutting boards are routed and sanded, we apply a food grade mineral oil to protect the cutting board. We sand in the oil with 600 grit and apply another layer and buff it out. Next, we laser the Sanford Shapes logo in the corner and the cutting board is ready to use.